Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify poster dimensions for FedEx Office print jobs step by step clearly. To verify poster dimensions for FedEx Office print jobs, start with your design software. Open the file containing your poster design. Check the document size settings in the software's menu. Ensure that the width and height match your intended poster dimensions. If your poster is meant to be 24 by 36 inches, confirm these exact measurements. Next, check the resolution of your design. A recommended resolution is 300 dpi for high-quality prints. If your resolution is lower, consider adjusting it for better output. Save your design file in an appropriate format. PDF is the preferred format for printing at FedEx Office. Before finalizing, review your design for any errors or adjustments needed. Now, open the FedEx Office website or app. Locate the printing section and select Posters. Upload your saved PDF file. As the file uploads, watch for any error messages regarding dimensions. Confirm the dimensions displayed match your original design settings. If they do not match, return to your design software to adjust the size. Once confirmed, choose your desired paper type and finish options. Proceed to finalize your order and select your preferred pickup location. After submitting, make sure to review the confirmation details. Once your order is complete, go to FedEx Office to pick up your poster. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.